Hey YouTube, it's Wisconsin Shoe Guy here, and I'm here to do an unboxing. I got a new pair of shoes in the mail today. This is an MTO that I ordered several months ago. It is from Carmina. And when you see the red box from Carmina, that means that this is something that was made to order. And so let's get started and see what it is. So there's a little bit of dust here. As you can see, I've got the traditional Carmina bags. And this is my first Carmina Adelaide. And let's take a look at what I did here. I chose this llama skin, which is extremely soft, as the vamp. And then I chose all of this in the same basic color. You can see that there's a big difference though because of the pattern and the type. And then I had this vitello, really very shiny, on the cap, on the eyelets, and on the heel. Right? You've got a really nice, beautiful JR sole on here, and I went with a regular hidden welt on this one. Take a look at the here. I'm gonna turn the lighting on. To help you see the details that went into the sole here. You know, this is on a Goodyear welting machine. They have this edge piece where it cuts a groove into the edge. So you've got a little lip on the bottom and a little lip on the top. They did that. And pretty nice waist. My initials here. The first time I've had my initials done on a shoe. And beautiful heel stack. They've got the gentleman's corner. Really like what they did with their heel there. So all in all, very good. It's got these new Carmina shoe trees in there. So all in all, just a really solid shoe. The lining on this, I chose orange instead of green this time. Wanted to do something different there. And so you can see here, the orange. And just a very, very well put together Adelaide. Here's the other one. I'm not really big into spectator, so that's why I chose to go with something more more of a contrast, but not a sharp contrast. So, you know, I think that somebody who's not really close, especially when I provide a little bit of shine on this, is probably not going to notice that big a difference here on the vamp. So at least that's my intent. Now, this is the light tan vitello, and this is the tan, they call it llama. Now, I actually wrote to Carmina and I asked about that, and this is not llama skin. This is calf skin that is imprinted with this pattern. So, sharp difference there. But now this is on the Simpson last. So I went a half size longer than I normally do based on the fitting that I did in New York City. And really looking forward to wearing them and getting these polished up so that I have them as part of my rotation. So this is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and that was just a quick unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Again, I don't edit content on the videos, so if I stumble or something, you're going to see it live and in color, as they say. So thanks for watching, and I'm out.